Rubens?
Oh.
I don't know but I believe that you could define the scope of these projects, write 2 pages, for example, to align the understanding everybody, and seek a budget and drive a platform ideas and look for partners. What do you think to conclude this?
Yeah, okay, that would be necessary, but I think that the role of the partners is, if we agree with that, we can move for the budget, okay?
Sorry?
Okay, let's put another slide here. Just,
okay.
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 Okay, so the next steps you are proposing, right? Uh, 5-page project, right?
Perfect.
But not to the platform. That's the.
Describe the scope, just the.
But when you mean the project, would be the project on the perspective of the palliative care and elderly care?
Yes, I think
and the platform would be a third one. What I think, we need a project for the palliative care, okay?
Yeah, I think to merge the ideas of Unimontes and the physical.
But
no?
Perhaps there would be a common from the part of the palliative care and elderly care and the platform. Something like that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Because if we don't have the specificity, okay, what should be essential on this 5-page project? This one will be written by FCCON, okay?
Okay.
Who else can help? The unit from Carlos Terceiro would help to write. Adolfo, please say the name of the institution, the unit.
Investen.
Huh?
Investen.
Could you write on the chat? I'm not sure I got it right. I don't know. Right?
It's the...
O acento tá trocado só.
The other side. It's the different. The accent in the E.
Okay.
It's the other side.
Okay. And probably they would help to revise the proposal. Okay. Morten. Something like that, okay?
Right.
So that ask revision to be sure that the challenge that's being brought, it's okay. Digital health unit, that's Is it right? Digital health unit?
Yes, we also have an Yeah, I'm going to write now so you can.
Okay. Oh, Sueli, would you suggest for the topics that are essential for this 5-page?
In the tech platforms?
Yeah, that we should not forget to add.
I think you could describe something like the Canadian labs, the proposal about the platform. What do you think? This model? I think here it's will be in these 5 pages a big picture about the platform.
The big
Maybe
picture of the, okay, let's put like that.
the big picture of the platform. I could discuss with the Adolfo using the Canadian platform that you send me.
Okay, we can establish contact with the Canadian partners, okay?
Okay.
The right moment, we can reach him. Platform topics, the big picture of the platform.
Yes, I think you have a part of the apps that included in the platform, but will have a integration with apps.
You mean the apps here?
Yes, into the platforms, no?
Apps, high-level requirements, something like that.
Yes, I think so. I don't know exactly, but or your high-level software requirements, so purpose of the apps integrated to the platform.
Yeah. Okay. What else? You mean about funding?
Maybe in platforms, maybe partnerships, I don't know, too.
Partnership. Okay, right.
Probably partnerships or technology, I don't know.
Mm-hmm. I like it. It's good. I think we should have the same for the palliative care as well. It's that would be which one? Oh, funding. Put funding from this people. If you have any option for funding, you mention, okay? There'll be something like the big picture of the digital, something like that.
I don't know if it's funding, it's a specific item or it's not a specific item.
They put ask user. I don't know if it's too complex now. Okay, well, no, it's not a use case. use scenario. I can help them to describe the scenery of use of the technology. Okay, so they can bring the people from the healthcare system. They could bring us the big picture. They want how they want technology to enable.
Rubens caiu.
Caiu.
É. Rubens go.
We must wait for Rubens, you know, something happening in...
Okay, the problem I have to leave now. So I have to go to other place. So I try to connect again also when I arrive. Otherwise, Manuel can tell me about the results of the rest of the meeting. Okay?
Okay. Adolfo, you talk after if you to make a meet. Okay?
Right.
I send an email. I will send an email.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye, goodbye.
Bye, bye, Adolfo.
Eu vou encaminhar para
Ele
vocês.
já está voltando, viu?
Oi?
Só um minutinho que o Rubens já está voltando.
Ah, ok. Ok. Eu acho que a gente tem que ter a ideia, né? Escrever a ideia do projeto, o que a gente vai buscar para justamente ter esse escopo definido para buscar, conversar com o JAICA, conversar com o governo, conversar, né, ali na FECOM com o Diego e enfim. Acho que esse fechamento do escopo ele é importante, esse alinhamento com todo mundo, entender o que a gente vai fazer, né?
Uhum.
Assim.
Sim, eu vou encaminhar naquele grupo virtual que nós criamos a apresentação que seria do programa Mais Vida, do Sempre Mais Vida, falando do atendimento dele, onde se encontra dentro dos níveis de atenção no SUS aqui em Montes Claros. Acho que vai ajudar a clarear e no entendimento do que essa plataforma seria muito boa para contribuir para integrar melhor a atenção primária com a atenção secundária e até terciária, e dessa forma a gente conhecer, né, e manter o entendimento do cuidado desse idoso. É um modelo diferente de cuidado, porque a gente vai monitorar e entender as demandas, vamos planejar educação permanente, pesquisa, e principalmente evitar muitas complicações que existem, tipo polifarmácia, iatrogenias, quedas, que são coisas previsíveis dentro da saúde do idoso. Muito obrigada, viu, Ju?
Rubens? Não, tá com o microfone fechado, Rubens. Tá aí? Voltou?
Voltei.
Ah.
Ok. A bateria caiu e eu não vi.
Ah, tá. Acontece.
So for this 5 page, I think we have something to start, okay?
Ok.
We can revise it later, but I think it's a good step. And so since our colleagues from Spain will be leaving for vacation, we are going to keep running from our side until they return from their vacation. We hope they can enjoy their vacation, even in this critical moment. But I think we can keep working in Brazil.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Well, we are in vacation now, but we are working too.
Yes, I imagine. Take care,
Always
Manuel. Take
is
care.
necessary to making vacation. You know.
Yes, I imagine. It's
Mhm,
hard work in this moment at the hospital.
mhm.
But take care, Manuel. Take care.
Thank you very much. Mhm.
Okay, 2
I
weeks.
think all of us must be careful in this epoch, you know,
Yeah.
Okay.
all over the world.
One point that we could do, Sueli, it's establish the collaborative, digital collaboration for this project. Okay, the tools we mentioned.
Yes.
Okay, can you
Okay.
help me to establish the?
Yes, I could. I could. Let's go. We can talk after tomorrow and the next week. Let's go work. I think we will have 2 great opportunities to do in FESECOM and Unimontes. Great ideas to develop a great project.
Mm-hmm.
Then you need to talk and describe the scope of these projects and go. I'm motivated. Rubens?
Okay.
Okay, I must
Okay.
visit my colleagues because we are finished there today. Okay,
Okay.
bye.
So, Manuel, would you like to say the last few words about our first phase of the workshops that we are concluding today?
Yes, sure. I hope I'm thinking all those days what are doing, what we can do. Yes. And I think this team yes, that we know since 2 months ago yes, is a good place to improve new solutions. Yes. We need now new solution for many things, you know. And I think that all of us are including in the solutions. Okay.
Yes.
And I would like to work with you. I want to continue, and I want to look for some financial to to make solutions that we need. Yes. I need uh, I need solution now here in Spain. Yes. I think everybody needs solutions because we are now in the 21st century. Yes. The 20th century is dead, absolutely dead. Yes. And we need to say what is the new way. Yes. And it's very difficult to say what are we doing, what are we going to do, because people always has the same pathology, right? Infection, cardiovascular, right? It's always the same, right? But what is the solution now? Right? And technology now is part fundamental of the solution. Right? In the last century, medical solutions was because technology was development, you know. But now we need technology of the communication and the informatics, and we have no these solutions. We got a lot of computers, a lot internet is, it's nice to talk to you since 10,000 kilometers away. Right? And it is like to stay here all together. Right? I'm doing now, right, making a medical consultation in this way. I don't need to touch to you because I have enough technology to say what happened with you, what treatment is doing, which diagnosis is the correct, and we need solution like this. Solution for palliative. What can I do about palliative? I am a doctor. I stay thousands of people dying in my hand. And I'm very honored because my work is to stay with the people until they dead. But palliative, and in the Poveda, is one of the principal places, and palliative is fundamental for the health system. At the same, the elderly is part of my wife, the our wife, and it's a big problem for the system. And the unique way is technology. Not because the elderly, because the doctor, the son, the grandson, and all of them can stay better if we can do that. These two ways, palliative and elderly, are very important. And I think I want to work in this way, with you or with the other. But I like to stay with you and work in this way.
Okay.
I don't know if it's enough. Sometimes I don't know about software, Zoom, Teams, Windows. I need one who make it well. It doesn't matter. Preferent Brazil or Spanish, American or European. It doesn't matter.
Yes. Okay.
I'm very honored to talk to you, Sueli and Juliana and Lucien and Evelyn, Isabel. I like it very much. I know Ruben since 4, 5, 6 years ago, and Maria. Let's go to do it.
Let's go do it.
Claro.
Okay.
Great. We have a lot of to do.
Sueli?
Yes, sure.
Sueli, suas palavras para encerramento.
And we can go together.
Eu acho que
For work and for life.
yes. I think the digital transformation is now, and you need help the elder people. This is. We have a lot of to do, and this will be a big problem. I think now is a big problem, and you need to see the process. We have the example that FECECOM and Unimontes are in the moment passing, né? And this is one example. We need to solve these problems. we could solve these problems using technology, using, and then you need to give this support for these people. I believe in that. Let's go. Let's go.
When I know Adolfo, I say, nice. You are engineering, you are working in health, and you are in telemedicine. I like to be friend and colleague of you.
Oh, thanks a lot. I hope so. And
Claro.
yes, I know this workshop, this group is a great group. It's a great team. It's a great team. I think we will do a great project.
Okay.
Thanks a lot for this opportunity, Rubens and Manuel and everybody.
Yes, sure. Rubens and Maria también.
Okay.
Yes, Maria too.
Okay. Evelyn, quer se
Everybody.
Bom, pessoal, realmente temos muito trabalho aí pela frente e fico muito feliz em participar com todos vocês. Estou adquirindo bastante experiência com pessoas excelentes aqui, né? De acordo com essas diversas palestras que foi dado aqui, workshop. E conte conosco, com a média, o que a gente puder ajudar. Estamos juntos e vamos até o fim.
Muito obrigado, Evelyn. Juliana?
Obrigado, Evelyn. Muito obrigado.
Está com o microfone fechado, Juliana. Acho que ela não quer falar, Juliana.
Luciana, então. Luciana quer... Juliana já está emocionada.
Mas a gente fica muito emocionado de ver que nós não podemos parar frente a essa questão da pandemia, porque as pessoas continuam envelhecendo e a gente necessita também ter um melhor cuidado, tanto no sentido do próprio idoso, como na questão do cuidado paliativo. Então, eu agradeço muito ao Rubens, ao Antônio, que me convidou para estar com ele, o Antônio Caldeira, e a todos vocês, o Manuel, a Sueli, o Rubens. O Rubens, a gente já tem conversado em outros momentos dessa questão do paciente idoso e essa necessidade da gente cuidar de uma forma que não seja um paternalismo, mas que seja uma corresponsabilidade com a equipe, com a família. Isso facilita e favorece muito o atendimento. E a gente precisa manter isso a nossa meta. Um cuidado melhor, um cuidado que mantenha anos a vida, mas vida a esses anos vividos, que é a nossa meta no centro de referência. Agradeço muito e estamos juntos.
La geriatría, Lu, la geriatría, tan importante y cada vez más.
Ok. Bom, eu primeiro, eu acho que a palavra, o que Manuel nos disse, né, que o que tem que nos guiar é a compaixão, né, pelo outro, no caso, né, são nossos grandes heróis da saúde, né, dos médicos, enfermeiros, de todos eles, né, eu acho que eles é que fazem essa missão importante, né, eu acho que nós que somos da tecnologia, né, nós temos que ser guiados por esse espírito mesmo, que é o espírito de proporcionar para que o outro esteja melhor, né? E acho que a gente, quando está fazendo essa tecnologia, ser o veículo, né, ser usado dessa forma, eu acho que a gente se realiza, né? Então, eu agradeço muito essa mensagem clara que o Manuel trouxe, né, de que move a gente. O que acho que mais importante nisso aí é a compaixão, é fazer com que o outro esteja melhor, né? Eu acho que isso que é o nosso grande desafio. Então, eu agradeço muito manter sempre nessa direção, né? Não deixar a gente perder de pensar a tecnologia pela tecnologia. Isso não vai fazer diferença, né? E muito obrigado a todos que estiveram junto nessa jornada, né? Acho que foi muito bacana. E começa, né, uma nova fase agora dela, que a gente está começando a desenhar. Mas, em termos do projeto da Softex, consórcio bem cuidado, né, que criou essa oportunidade, acho que a gente aprendeu muito nisso também, vai nos ajudar muito no nosso projeto. E foi importante, eu acho que todos os que participaram tiraram proveito disso aí. Então, tomara que a gente, nessa nova etapa, a gente consiga ter o mesmo êxito da primeira, tá bom? Muito agradecido a todos.
Perfeito. Encerramos. Ai, bye, bye.
Bye.
Até a próxima.
Tchau, pessoal. Um
Tchau,
abraço.
pessoal.
Fiquem com Deus.